Hey guys, it's Daps here. So if you followed me for a while, you will know that I've talked so much about ClonewebX, using it to clone any website to WordPress. It works seamlessly with Elementor, with Bricks Builder, and Breakdance recently added, and Gutenberg still coming. It also worked well with Webflow. One of the not too good parts of this tool for a while has been that this tool link back to the source page for images, for icons, and for some of the elements on the page, and this is not too good. When I noticed it, I had to communicate to ClonewebX and escalate this. This is not too good for SEO, and I'm happy that that has been looked into right now. And okay, let me just demonstrate this so that I'll not be talking over your head. So I can just literally just come back to a project here. So this is Bricks Builder. I think I have this project open here. Okay, so I have it here. So fantastic. So let's say I just want to copy this entire page to WordPress. So I can just literally just over on this right now, and let's just use the parent selector. Let's say I want to uh, copy the entire page. So right now, what I will just do is let's just stick with Elementor. Let's just hit the export button. This has been copied to clipboard, which is good. So before we leave here right now, if you come down here, if you scroll down, you will see a place here. It says that automatically upload images, icons, fonts to your own server. So now let's come back to a WordPress website here. Let me come to the pages here. So I just have default Elementor installed here. So this is the front page here. Let's edit this with Elementor, maybe in a new tab. Instead of Elementor here, so you will notice now that we now have this icon here, this C ClonewebX icon here. So that's the tool that we're going to be using to literally import all the images, all the front, and all the icons to our server. And that's quite very fantastic. Initially, before, what we will do right now is for us to right click here, paste from other side, and then do Ctrl V or Command V. So now you can see that we now have our design inside of Elementor, which is quite very beautiful. But if you notice now that this image here, for example, if I click this right now, so you can see this image literally is an HTML code here and is linking back to Bricks Builder. You can see that. So if we scroll down right now, there's an image here. If we click on this image right now, so you can see this image is not sourced on our server. This image is linking back to Bricks Builder. Ideally, what I would do if I want to use this is for me to now go to this image here. I can copy this image here, this URL. I can come down here and paste that here. So this is the link to the image. If I run that, I'll be able to see the image right now. So I can then now save this image to my computer and then now re-upload this image to my server. This is a very tedious process if you have lots of images on the website you're trying to clone. But the good thing right now is that let's come back here. So I can just literally just come back to this container here. Let's just delete everything we have on this page. So what we can do right now is to come back to this icon here, this ClonewebX icon. So this is where we're going to be pasting our clone data. So let's come back here since I don't have that copy to clipboard again. So let's come back to this. Okay. All right. So let's click the export button again. So I have that copy to clipboard. So I can then come back here and then I can paste that here. And then we can click upload icons and front and images, and then this will take some few seconds to upload all of those images and the content on that page to our website. So you can see this is done here, and this is quite fantastic. So what we're going to do right now is to now copy this code here to our clipboard and then now come to our page right now, paste from other side, and now do Ctrl V. In my case, in your case, maybe Command V. Good. So we now have our page here already. So right now, if we come to our image here, so if I click this, so you can see that I have this image directly loaded from my server. This will significantly improve the performance of your website. So right now, let's update this page. So now we can come up here and then let's view our page. This will lead me to the not too good part of this. So as you can see now, we have this right here still showing on this page, which is not supposed to be. This dialog box is supposed to show at the back end alone. I've escalated this issue to WebEx and they told me they're working on this and I expect this to be fixed. As a matter of fact, by the time you're seeing this video, hopefully this should have been fixed. We also have an alignment issues here. So like when people tell me this tool is not working, I'm not getting this to work, I just always tell them that this tool is not something you rely on 100% every time to deliver to you. That sometimes you just need it to give you the framework and then you can correct things yourself. So ideally right now this video is not showing well. What I would do is to take this out and then re-add that element. So right now even this image is not even showing correctly. I should go back. If I really want to make do of this, I'll go back and rework this image, copy the image and then post it directly myself. But by and large is a fantastic feature. So if I come back here and come up here, so if I click on this, you see it's showing well here, it's centralized here, but not on the front end. So as you can see here, so sometimes we have this kind of issues. So if I click on this right now, there's an HTML code. So what I would do ideally would be to delete this entirely and then copy the image. So this is the link to the image. Copy this image here and then download the video rather, download the video. And also the image here for the wallpaper and for the banner and also the video, download them and then manually add them. It's that simple. Just come to Elementor here, drag in the video element, drag that into the page somewhere up here and then add the video, change this to a self-hosted video instead of using an external URL right now. Download the video. I already did. This is the video here. Bring the video here and then you can come down here, set the settings to autoplay so that the video will autoplay by itself. If you want to do that, come to image overlay here, add an image overlay and then go there and just download the image as I told you. This is the image here and then I can add that here. So as you can see here, I can take away the play icon. So that's it. I now have this video here, so I can delete the old one, which is this HTML here. So I can right click it from here and then I can delete this. So that's gone. So I can bring in my video element down into this container. That's it. So that has solved this problem. For the spacing here, I might just quick fix, maybe just turn that up. I can just do minus maybe 400, take that up again. Maybe there or not there. This might not really be the ideal fix for this, but this is just something very fast because I'm not ready to debug what is wrong, what is really causing that space. So once this is done, I can just literally just update this page. So if I come back to my front end right now and then I refresh this, so you can see I now have this here centralized. If I click this right now, so you can see the video is playing. That's it. Super simple and easy, right? So right now the only thing we want is does this update that take this out. So I'm expecting that should be solved anytime soon. As a matter of fact, I have an update here. Let me check. I don't have much installed here. So you can see there's already an even update for this plugin soft light integration. Let's update this and let's see if that will even solve this problem. Okay, this has been updated. So let me come to the front end and let's refresh this. You can see it's even gone. So you can see, so you can go experiment with these guys. That's the update from ClonewebX. So you can see how super easy it is for you to embed the images, the icons, the text to your server instead of backlinking to the source website. This would improve the performance of your website significantly. I'm happy to share this update and I'm happy to keep sharing more updates about ClonewebX. So go experiment with this. If you're hearing about ClonewebX for the very first time, you can test out. You can check that tool. I've done lots of tutorials around this tool. You can even start literally for free. They have a free plan. So let me know your experience with this tool in the comment section. I'll look out for them. That's my time for this tutorial. I'll see you in another one. Take care. Have a nice time.